Come test drive this 2011 Mazda CX-7. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. The engine breathes better thanks to a turbocharger, improving both performance and economy. Mazda prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including leather upholstery, a tachometer, a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, and much more. Mazda also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. We are here to help you.